All right, just wrapping up a few things on the front end. Obviously we got all the steering linkage done, ball joints, U-joints. Got the new dual stabilizers in. One of the last things I wanted to get in was replace the steering box. Another problem child for Dodge, of course. I mean, they basically built a front end that would hold up to a Durango versus a 3/4 ton truck. So of course everything's underbuilt. I like to use the RedHead steering gear boxes. Had great luck with these things. Awesome customer service. No, I don't get sponsored by them, but I just love their products, okay? So we're gonna replace this. Got new track arm bushings going in. Front end's done. Moving on to other things. Got the box off, getting ready to paint. Doing some minor body work on the lift here. And should be shooting this thing pretty quick.